Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican-style porridge. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fine cornmeal or rolled oats, 4 cups of water or milk, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget a half teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, a 1/4 cup of condensed milk for sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious and comforting breakfast. Now, let's get cooking. In a medium-sized pot, bring your 4 cups of water or milk to a rolling boil. Once boiling, slowly whisk in the 1 cup of cornmeal or oats. This gradual addition is key to avoiding any lumps. Reduce the heat to low and let it simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir frequently throughout this process to achieve that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture we all love. With your porridge base simmering beautifully, it's time to infuse it with those classic Jamaican flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg. Next, add a 1/4 cup of condensed milk. You can adjust this amount to your desired level of sweetness. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Give it a taste and feel free to tweak the seasonings until it's just perfect for you. Your delicious Jamaican-style porridge is now ready to be enjoyed. Ladle the warm, creamy porridge into individual bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a little more nutmeg. Some people also like to add a bit more condensed milk or sugar at the table. This hearty and comforting breakfast is perfect for starting your day with a taste of the Caribbean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.